City of Valdosta is requiring restaurants, new and old, to install new grease traps that could cost them thousands of dollars, and business owners are not too happy about that. One business owner tells me this cost them 2 months of business and over $20,000 for the new traps, and they still had to pay over $10,000 in rent while being closed.
It'd be $14,000 plus labor, which the labor probably run anywhere from $5,000 to $8,000, in labor.
If you don't have adequate grease removal, it can get into sewer lines and cause problems in wastewater plants.
We have a tank that's been working for 20 years, 30 years, and we've never had a complaint on it. It's in fine working order now, and this is holding the tenant up from opening up, and it's costing us, $20,000 or $25,000.
Although business owners are upset, the city wants them to know that they are just updating outdated systems because the system does not meet protocols.
Fog ordinance has always been in place, or has been in place since 2009, and there's been some variances to it in the past, depending on the situation. But now every establishment or every FSE has been brought up to code.
The city says they are not the only city that's taken this seriously. If sewers overflow, it can cause major health concerns and expensive cleanups that the city doesn't want. Mackenzie Petrie, WALB, your hometown news source.